So the first step is to apply a base coat to all your nails and let it dry completely. Apply a layer of white to all your nails. Apply some orange and white to your makeup sponge, kind of like a half and half scenario, and then just start tapping it to your nails. It will kind of like create like ombre effect on your nails. But what I actually forgot to do on my nails is I actually forgot to cover the cuticles with like some sellotape or with some glue or something, so that the polish wouldn't stick to my nails. But if you forget it just like I do, just don't worry, you can just use some nail polish remover to remove it later on. If you were smarter than me, you've used like sellotape or glue around your nails, you can just remove it now, so basically your finger's gonna be clear straight away. But if you forgot to do that just like I did, now just get like a cotton bud, dipping in some nail polish remover, and then you would need to just like remove the stick polishes from your fingers. And then the last step is just to apply some top coat on your nails. I prefer to use Seche Vite first drying top coat because it literally dries super fast. By the time I actually finish the last nail, the first one is already dry, so I have actually less opportunities to read my design.